let's learn about trees. Let's remember what we have learned so far. What a plant needs. They need air, light, water, and nutrients. The air and light, water, and nutrients. Trees make the world grow. They make the world better. Trees gives us most of the things that we need in life in order to live properly, like the air that we breathe, the food that we eat, the house that we live in, and even the clothes that we wear. Trees have three important parts. The roots, the stem, which will be called trunk, and the crown. Inside the crown, we find the leaves, the flower, the branches, twigs, and fruits. All flowering plants produces fruit, and the fruit tree is a tree that has fruits that is consumed or used by humans and animals. Like the apple tree. The apple tree begins producing fruit after 2 to 10 years. Apples generally do not grow well close to the ocean, but they grow best in full sun. The date tree. Dates are the fruit of a desert palm tree. Date palms can take 4 to 8 years after planting before they will bear fruit. Wow, that's a really long time. Banana tree. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They are full of important nutrients, but eating too much will not be good for you. 1 or 2 bananas a day is the suggested serving. Pomegranate tree. This tree grows from 12 to 20 feet tall. It takes 2 to 3 years before it bears fruit. Mango tree. Mango trees grow to 115 to 130 feet tall with a crown of about 33 feet. The trees live as long as 300 years and still can bear fruits. Wow! Isn't mango amazing? They taste great and they look great. Oak trees. The oak trees have alternate leaves and edible acorn fruits. The leaves of the oak may have serrated edges or may have smooth edges. The flowers are cat skins, produced in the spring season. The fruit is a nut called acorn. Coconut tree, also called the tree of life, since all parts of this tree can be used in many different and beneficial ways to people, from the roots, trunks, leaves to its fruits. Isn't coconut tree amazing? There are also trees that do not bear fruits. We call them the non-fruit bearing trees. Trees have many different benefits, like holding the soil in place, production of various herbs and medicines, production of materials for furniture and other household items, production of papers, and many, many more. Pine tree. Pine trees grow from 10 to 260 feet tall. Pines are sun-loving trees that do not grow well under shady conditions. They are so tall, aren't they? Acacia tree. Acacia tree usually grows to the height of 40 feet. Most species of acacia have green, pinnate leaves. They are densely arranged from the branches and create impression of a giant fern. The Narra tree. Narra is a big tree growing to 33 meters in height and 2 meters in diameter. Narra bears many long branches that are at first ascending or going up, but eventually they arc over and sometimes dropping in the end. For our activity, we're going to do some exploring with the leaves. In the science experiment, we'll be observing how liquids or the water travel through the leaves over a period of 3 days. Are you ready? We need this leaves, scissors, but be careful, using the scissors, you need a grown-up help. Clear cups, water, and food coloring. We can use red, but you can use other colors as well. But do not use green, so that we can see the colors going and rounding through the leaves. You can use as many colors as you want. Using the scissor, like I said, you can ask mommy or any grown-up to help you do this for you. Snip the bottom of each stem and place it in the cup. Put water on the clear cup, more than half full. Do you remember our lessons about half and empty and full? It's time to use them. Now we're going to put water more than half full. And then you can add the red food color. Observe the leaves closely. You can use a magnifying glass if you have it at home. Now it's time for observation. For the next 2 days, you should notice the red-colored water move through the leaves. See in the picture? Look closely. Some parts of the leaves are turning red. It is because the water is traveling now from the cup to the leaves. The colored water was moving through the xylem tubes of the leaf. The xylem tubes of plant transports water and minerals up from the roots through the entire plant. Their thick walls also provide support for the plant. See, from day 1, it's still green. In day 2, it's starting to change the color. And in day 3, you can see the red water spreading almost all over the leaves. How did your experiment go? Isn't science exciting?